I will eat healthier. I will exercise 3 times a week. I will drink more water. I will go for a walk every day. I will pick up a new hobby. I will read more books. I will spend more time with my family and friends. I will go to bed early and wake up early. I will use social media less. I will do less shopping. I will save money. I will not procrastinate. I will be more positive. I will be more mindful of protecting nature. I will cook more meals at home. I will volunteer at an animal shelter to help animals. I will try to stay away from stress. I will enjoy the little moments. I will learn a new language. I will travel more. I will keep my room clean. I will be kind to myself and others. I will keep my promises. I will listen more and talk less. I will be more energetic. I will watch functional English videos every day.